So how's the welding going?
Good.
Yeah? Getting pretty good at it.
All right.
Practice makes perfect. You're going to be an expert by the time you're done.
Hopefully.
So a lot of people...
Getting worse at it.
So quite a few people are wondering if you're going to turn this beautiful 4-door into a 2-door. What do you have to say about that?
Probably not. I say 2-door, it might look a bit better, but it's not as practical. Because, like, if it's 2-door, you have to open the front door and climb all through just to get into the back.
This is true.
And it's a lot of work.
This is true.
So,
We just love the 4-door look of this one.
yeah, just keep it 4-door. Some cars might be better 2-door, but it doesn't really matter to me.
There you go. There's the answer, folks. But no, you've made some really good progress on the floors, and I think you're going to be doing some moving on to the next step here pretty soon. Let's take a look here. Holy moly, that's a lot of welding. Good job, though.
Yeah.
Still got a little ways to go. You having fun, though?
Yeah.
That's the main thing, that you're enjoying it. All right, well, let's see what's next for you.
Okay. Well, that one, I'll let you figure out how to make a patch for that. We'll probably just use the plasma and cut a little bit of that out.
Yeah.
But for now, I think, yeah, we'll have to figure this thing out.
Pablo's got to get in on the action, eh?
Okay.
And inspect everything.
Well, I'm gonna shoehorn this down a little bit. There we go. That folded like I wanted it to. All right. So, well, this is that other piece. So here's where we gotta. Actually, that was gonna be like the easiest piece you've made, eh?
Yeah.
All right, let's get rid of the excess, and then we'll move over to your machine. Hey, Pablo. There. Get rid of some more excess, and then I'll let you figure this out. Because technically it'll be the similar piece but smaller on the other side. There, bud. There you go. Trim away. Essentially you want the piece to fit into there, come around here and have a little bit extra so we can bend and rinky dink up there. Pablo.
Is your assignment clear, Austin?
Yep.
How's the trimming going?
Pretty good.
Keep fitting and slicing.
Yeah.
Got enough meat everywhere?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. We'll have a little bit of a suck fest in there. That's okay. That's me. Alright. Still have your Sharpie? You can trace that out.
I think it's on the table.
No. I'm not standing where you just want. So that is the template
That is his template.
for next piece of metal.
His next floor piece.
His next floor piece.
There you go. There should be enough room on there.
Austin, you like the plasma torch?
Yeah.
There you go. Nicely done.
Not bad. What do you gotta do?
Just bend this a little.
Yeah. Where do you gotta do it?
What?
Where are you gonna do it? Probably don't need much on the top. If you look,
Yeah.
Bust your Sharpie, right?
No, it's in my pocket. Should be. Yeah.
Make a wee little line in
Think about there?
yeah, try it. Yeah, looks right. You may have to trim a little off of there because it's overlapping that line.
Yeah.
But that's okay. Bendy bend. Alright. Well, that's pretty good. Now I gotta figure out, I gotta trim a little bit. Oh, mind you, actually that's not bad, eh?
There's still this in the way here. Gotta grind that off.
Oh yeah, okay, there's that. And then maybe you should just cut a little bit off this corner. You know how you're hitting hard into
Yeah.
here? Maybe take like a finger width off.
Just a little.
Till about where your finger is.
Like,
A little further down though. Just make that go to about there.
maybe.
And let's see, and the other side wasn't bad. If you can, maybe take a wee bit off of this one. Like right here. Do another like little finger sliver across through there. And just do that on that shear and then I'll probably need a hammer and a chisel to kind of get a few bits out of there.
Looks good.
See how it fits?
Yeah.
Maybe I can polish up that one side a little bit or else it happens.
Yeah.
Gonna work?
Yeah.
A little bit of massaging.
Yeah. That'll be good.
You want to put one bead roll through there?
Sure. Just smack that flat first. Oh yeah, the hammer's in there.
Oh yeah, you got it through.
How do you think he's doing?
Getting there. He's figuring it out. He'll figure it out.
Yeah,
He'll
he will.
do the whole other side by himself.
What?
You brought your Sharpie?
Yeah. Just one line through the middle?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that thing's still there. Cool. And then after, should
Never
polish
mind.
that back side of it.
Yeah.
It'll just get rid of the chance of it doing like click clunk when you put your feet on it. If you don't do it, it becomes a big oil can. It's all plugged in.
All you.
I know you know how to do this, Austin.
Kind of.
Minty. Some fancy stuff you got going on. A lot of people wish they could weld that nice. We're getting there.
Yeah.
Don't let me stop you. Got lots to go.